Hey, sociologists. Happy Monday. Hope you're doing well. Just want to give you a little check-in. Wanted to talk about what's happening this week and congratulate you on getting those papers done because I know that was a big task. But you did it, and now that was the large paper for the semester, so you can kind of rest easy knowing that you did that. Congratulations again. So I think I told you I work in San Quentin, and I was in there last night talking to a student who told me that writing that paper was his favorite paper that he's done throughout his college career. So you might not feel like that right now. You might just be like, "Oh, I'm so glad it's done." But hopefully you look back and can self-reflect on what you learned about yourself through the process of that paper. All right, so we're going to move into next week, and we're doing society and social interaction. And you have a couple things that I want to point out to you here. So you're going to watch this clip, which is How We Learn How to Be by Dr. Chris Boyd. And it's about a 5-minute kind of exercise that I want you to go through. It's going to load. You'll see it in a second. I'm sure you've already looked at this. My computer is acting kind of funny today. So you're going to watch this, and then you're going to go into the response, which is right under here. Let's find it for you. Here it is. The self in context assignment. Okay, so I know you just did a big paper, but what I want you to understand is that this is totally different. This is however you want to express yourself, okay? I really do mean have fun with it. Draw me pictures, do a video, do some poetry, whatever it is that helps you reflect, kind of express who you are. So please do enjoy kind of creating this. So if you're going to do a collage or something along those lines, it doesn't need to be 2 to 3 pages. You can just have some sort of description that accompanies it. If you decide to do a video, obviously there's no paper along with it required. So just enjoy it, create whatever it is that helps you express yourself, and really don't worry about it, okay? Have fun with it. And if you worry about it and need to ask me questions, you can do that too. All right, so thank you and have a great week.